the right time. We're not able to. The most wise decision is to listen to the scholars who say, sit at home and do nothing. Yes, the Muslims are being slaughtered in Syria. Yes, our sisters are being raped. Yes, men are being buried alive because they only want to worship Allah. But what can we do? Sit at home, and this is wisdom. Ya Allah, is this really suitable for a Muslim to ask? Is it really suitable for a Muslim who knows what Allah has said? إِن يَنْصُرْكُمُ اللَّهُ فَلَا غَالِبَ لَكُمْ. If Allah should assist you, nobody can defeat you. You sit back and you say, oh, but look at them. China, America, England. Have you forgotten about Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala? Have you forgotten about the Almighty, the one who destroyed the army of Abraha, the one who vanquished the Crusaders and the Soviets? Yet you think he can't defeat Bush or Obama? Where is your Iman? You think that Bashar is greater than Allah? How dare any Muslim say this? How dare you say that we're weak when we have Allah? Nobody can defeat us. We are not weak. We are not weak. Rather, they are weak. We are not defeated. Rather, they are defeated. The Muslim is the one who trusts in Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, who knows no matter how small we may be, if we truly fear Him, nobody can defeat us. This is what the Almighty has said.